In today's video, I'll show you guys how to update this 007 First Light. Here is the update list. There is only one available update, v1.0.1. For the user who are trying to use a save file, it is required. As you can see, please note these folders are from v1.0.1 version of the game. So you need to update the game to make this save file work. Right click on the update zip and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the update application and select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes option. Select the language and select next. Select the game folder. Select next. Already exit. Select yes option. Select next install. Once the update done, uncheck these both options and select finish. Right click on the game and select open file location and open this retail and right click on the application and select properties. Go to details and the game version has successfully updated. Now you can start the game. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.